Make a great choice today with
the 2022 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.